Hello everyone. December Christmas trees and decorations are popping up in shop windows and everywhere. So, now in this month we have different types of questions come around in our mind. Like, is the Santa Claus is real? Who is Santa Claus? Or to lie, how to lie our children's about Santa Claus. So today in this video, let me know about Santa Claus and how you deal with your children questions about Santa Claus and Christmas. So let's we start. The legend of Santa Claus can be traced back hundreds of years to monk named Saint Nicholas. It is believed that Nicholas was born sometime around 280 AD in Patra near Myra in modern-day Turkey. Much admired for his piety and kindness, Saint Nicholas became the subject of many legends. It is said that he gave away all of his inherited wealth and traveled the countryside helping the poor and sick. One of the best known Saint Nicholas stories is the time he saved three poor sisters from being sold into slavery or prostitution by their father by providing them with a dowry so that they could be married. Over the course of many years, Nicholas' popularity spread and he became known as the protector of children and sailors. So this is why we celebrate Christmas with Santa Claus. Now today in these days he is thought of mainly as the jolly man in red who brings toys to good girls and boys on Christmas Eve. So now let's we start our another topic to discuss how you deal with your children's, what to say when your child asks if Santa is real according to the experts. So in this statements what expert says each matters when deciding what to tell kids about Santa Claus. It can be hard for parents to accept that children are growing up and letting go of childhood traditions and notions. For many parents, it's downright painful to think that their child has grown out of the Santa years and all the fun that associate with the belief in Santa and his little elves. It can happen at any age and may come up because of conversation with other kids. Your 6 or 7 years old may have overheard something at school and want assurance that Santa will indeed show up at Christmas. It may be good to reinforce the story of Santa Claus, even showing younger children images or videos of live Santas at parade on television. An 8 or 9 years old may really be asking if it is still okay for them to pretend that there is Santa so they don't miss out on anything. At this age, you will want to use your judgment as to their true intent with the question. Some kids are ready for the truth and others are not. If indeed ask a few probing questions like why do you ask before deciding how to answer. By the time they reach 10 or 11, your twin probably no longer believes in Santa Claus. This is developmentally appropriate timing. It is around this years that children become more self-aware. They also begin to get a pretty good grip on reality. But some twins hold on to their childhood beliefs for as long as they possibly can. The truth is that if your child is asking questions such as, is Santa real? He probably already knows the truth or has an idea of it. He may just be looking for validation from you. When to be truthful. Now, if you think your child has it all figured out, it's a good idea to be truthful. For instance, you could explain that Saint Nicholas was in fact a real person from long ago. He was known for leaving presents for the children in his village and for caring for the poor and unfortunate. The legend grew over time, becoming the story we all know today. This is a good time to instill your family beliefs and value by bringing them up in the conversation. You might do this by reinforcing the idea that the spirit of Santa Claus represents what is in the heart of all people who are kind and generous. can also remind children that reality is often about perspective and faith. If your child understands that belief and faith are choices we all make, he may choose to believe in something even greater and enduring. Share your thoughts on what you believe and why, and then give him time to figure out his own beliefs. So that's all for today's video. How you feel about my video? Is it valuable or not? Please let me know in the comment section below. So happy Christmas to you and your family. If you're new to my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.